Hi, everybody. I'm really excited to virtually meet you guys and to get started on this course. So my name is Sophia Jodka. I don't typically have any nicknames, but I'm also fine with Sophie since that's what I was called in preschool. But my pronouns are she, her, hers, and I'm originally from Amherst, Massachusetts. I'm going to be moving out to Colorado, out to Fort Collins to get started on my dual DVM and PH program in just a couple months. I'm actually moving out there in the beginning of July, so I'll be out there close to you guys very soon. Like I mentioned, I'm currently starting the dual degree between the College of Veterinary Medicine and the School of Public Health. So I'll be getting both my DVM and my MPH degrees over the next 5 years. Really excited to get started there. I'm not currently working, so I just graduated from North Carolina State University with a bachelor's in biology and minors in animal science and microbiology, and really enjoyed my time down in North Carolina. It's definitely quite a bit warmer than it's going to be in Fort Collins, but I'm really excited to get going there. I got interested in public health during my time doing undergraduate research. So I was working at the comparative GI lab at NC State's vet school. And we did a lot of work with pig intestinal research. And this had a lot of translational work where we were looking at potential applications for human infant formula, as well as prebiotics and probiotics to use for supplementation in the swine industry to help out with some of the serious diseases that they're facing in the beginning life stages, which can potentially be helpful for food supply as well as animal welfare. And I saw a ton of applications with public health that could not only impact human health, animal health, environmental health. And I thought it was so neat that it was something that I could get involved with from a veterinary perspective that would have such broad applications. And I also just love the science and research aspect of it and love learning about all the infectious diseases that go into it. This past summer, I had a great opportunity to study abroad in South Africa, and we learned a ton about the diseases that are endemic to that area. And I thought it was just so neat how public health professionals can work together as a team to work on these diseases that are impacting such a broad part of the population. And a lot of that work can be really translational as well. But in terms of particular health issues in my career path, I see myself splitting my time between clinical practice in a veterinary clinic setting, as well as some research as well. So it'll be interesting. It's not something that I think a ton of people have combined in the way that I'm hoping to, but I'm hoping to combine specialty medicine with some public health or infectious disease research, potentially some vaccine development. And we'll kind of see from there how I decide to combine things, but I'm very excited to see how that's all going to work. I think during my MPH, I hope to kind of narrow down which parts of public health I'm particularly passionate about, and I can weave those into my clinical practice a little bit as I go. But I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and just show the rubric for the assignment. All right, so here we have the required questions for the initial post and then the video components down here as well. And then I'll go ahead and pull up the rubric. So we've got that right here with the different categories for this post as well. I'll go ahead and stop my share. But hopefully that was sufficient. I'm really excited to get started with this class and get to know some of you guys better as we work together, and excited to get started on my MPH. Thank you.